Today we are going to solve a geometry word problem about transformations. The question asks, which transformation would make the area of a rectangle's image different from the area of its pre-image? Here is the key idea. Rigid transformations keep both shape and size the same. That means the area stays exactly the same. Rigid transformations include reflections, translations, and rotations. Let's visualize a rectangle and its area. If the width is W and the height is H, then the area is W times H. First, a reflection over the y-axis just flips the rectangle to the other side. The area stays the same because the size does not change. Second, a translation just slides the rectangle. The size does not change, so the area stays the same. Third, a rotation turns the rectangle around a point. Turning does not change size, so the area stays the same. Now, look at a vertical stretch by a scale factor of 3. The width stays the same, but the height triples. That makes the area 3 times larger. This is the only transformation that changes area. So the correct answer is choice 4, the vertical stretch. All rigid transformations keep the area the same. Only a stretch changes the area.